So, as I told you guys, I am going on a new health kick where, honestly, with quarantine diet, I think they call it the COVID-15 now. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to go on a little program, get healthy as I can get. You know I love my pizza. So I figured I'd do a little unboxing with you guys and just show you what I'm going to be getting myself into. Let's begin. Press those scissors. On the other side. Bubble wrap. Boom. 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 So the first thing I have in here, connect with us. It's like a gift. Free gift. I feel like it's my birthday. Actually, my birthday is coming up. Ooh. Results can't get anywhere. Results you can't get anywhere else. The Hooked on Phonics works for me. So they give you a package, and look at that. They even include a band so you can, check your waistline and see how you're doing. I'm the kind of person that, when it comes to weight loss, don't go by weight. Don't go by those numbers on the damn scale. Sit there and you look at it and it says 180 pounds, and all of a sudden you're like, why did it just go from 180 bam to 185? Go by the inches, go by how you feel in your clothes. Welcome to Isogenics. Your results start here. Boom. Guys, there's so much help. Everybody that's already doing this wants to help you through doing this. It's so awesome. Before I even got it started reaching out to me going like, hey, listen, I've done this and this is my goal. I've lost this amount of inches. People are stoked to want to help you through. And that's what I'm most excited about. Is just seeing what kind of, help I can get through trying to feel better about myself after this whole pandemic. Look at that. How much does a company care that just willy-nilly sends you a package that says, welcome, good luck in your transition and your, welcome to results. Inside this kit, you will find the tools you will need to transform your life physically and financially. Not only will you benefit from this stuff, but you'll actually notice a difference in spending money on food. And this is what caught my eye. Now don't think you're gonna starve yourself, Michael. I'm gonna do everything that's recommended through all the support that they give with the groups and support. They even got a 30-day challenge that they signed me up on. They give prizes throughout, and they'll have a first, second, and third prize. It's fantastic when it comes to I'm sold on the company already on what they do for people, and I'll let you guys know what the products are like. I know you're kind of wondering. I am too. I'm stoked. I can't look at that. You can measure your stomach and whatever your biceps, your neck, whatever you want to measure to see if you've lost inches. That's fantastic. Come on. That's amazing. I'm finally this is making me excited to get back to doing that kind of thing again and creating a healthy lifestyle for myself, for my family, for my son. I'm excited to get started and get healthy again like I used to be. Some Isolene Shake Powder, a complete meal replacement for healthy weight loss and lean muscle building. I'm not sure if you can see, but this one's called Birthday Cake. I hear it's pretty amazing. It's superior branched chain amino acid profile, high in fiber, essential trace minerals. As a meal replacement, Isolene Shake helps you feel full. I'm doing a little bit of an intermittent fasting thing that I've been doing. If I wasn't doing that right now, it'd probably be another 20 pounds or so. But this is gonna help me feel full and help me get through that intermittent fasting. So this is gonna help me with that. And be a nice treat. Birthday cake. Who doesn't like birthday cake? No, I do. The next thing is, same thing, it's Isolene Shake. It was highly recommended to try the strawberry. Same thing. So these two are supposed to last me about probably a month. Complete meal replacement for healthy weight loss and lean muscle builder. Let's hope that works. Wouldn't mind putting on some lean muscle mass builder. But oh, lift here, lift here. So if I can get it, it's right in the boom. 5 grams of fat per 2 scoops, which is 60 grams. 240 calories. You're looking at about 24 grams of protein in every 2 scoops, which is kind of normal. Shaker cup. Look inside, pour out, and you get some other goodies that you might want to try in the future. Ooh, snack bites. I find myself grazing all the time, especially in quarantine and whatnot, that all I want to do is eat. I'm always eating. Like, if I'm bored, I eat. If I'm going by the fridge, looking to see what's good. Even though I know what's in there. E-shots. E-shots are, so I guess it's supposed to be like a pick-me-up. Balanced energy shot with natural source caffeine. Boom! In its most natural form. All this stuff is as natural as you can get it too, guys. From what I was told and what I read, most vegetables and fruits and all the good stuff that you didn't want to eat as a kid. So I'll try those out and maybe let you guys know how those things are too. They probably taste fantastic. Isaac Supreme, nature's answer to optimal health. Natural fruit flavor. Adaptogenic with the ingredients. A natural way to balance your body's systems. Made with adaptogens, antioxidants, and nutrients to help you strengthen your overall health. It's supposed to be a natural, rich, bionicle. I'm sure it'll make me healthier than I am. So that's what I'm looking to do. Looks better than pizza. I hate pizza. Ooh, an antihydrate. Blue raspberry. Oh, this is what I got as a bonus. Look, so the blue raspberry out here is amazing. So it's full of vitamins and mineral blend. So this is like what I'm amped about. Amped. So what I'm really excited about is, I never get enough fruit and vegetables in my diet, and I try to take, multivitamins. Sometimes I run out and I don't get them for another couple weeks down the road when I remember at the grocery store. But this is supposed to be one of those things where it's gonna give you those things without actually having to, eat 87,000 vegetables and fruits throughout the day. So as much as I want to lose this 10, 15, closer to 15, 20 pounds, as much as I want to do that, I want to get healthy. Throughout the day, I graze, and I'll eat half decent to a degree, but I never eat enough vegetables and minerals and vitamins and all that good stuff. Oh, this is what I've never done a cleanse. I've never ever cleansed this. I've always been in shape. I used to be a personal trainer at one point. I've let myself go when it comes to being consistent at the gym. It's just time. You know what life's like. This will cleanse all the bad crap to a degree that I put in my body, so I can start kind of fresh. That's what you're looking at right there. This is peach mango. They have other flavors too, so if you guys want to check them out. Builder. In itself, mindset wise and just feeling like I want to accomplish. 9 times out of 10, if you guys invest in your health and invest in your weight loss, you're gonna go on the track that's gonna make you feel like you want to consume yourself with it. And if anything, if you don't believe in products like this, if anything, that's what you should be investing in this for, is just keeping yourself on track and making you want to keep doing it. And that's what I'm looking forward to. I'm really excited to start and keep doing it and having a reason to excel. Like I said, I'll keep you guys posted. I'll let you know how it goes. I'll let you know how it tastes. Stay tuned, and yeah, we'll go through this together. I'm gaining some weight. Hope you guys are having a good couple of months. I know it's been hard. I know everybody's taking a hit emotionally, psychologically. It's really easy to get emotionally scarred, emotionally drained when you're sitting by yourself sometimes, or just not going to work. It's hard to really keep focused on being positive. Let's start. Let's do this. Thanks, guys. I'll keep you posted. Stay healthy, stay safe, and like my motto's always been, the first step is making the right decision. Take care.